I observed that my coworker Bianca was manually resizing columns.
OMG, I'm getting tired of doing this manually. Unfortunately, I only know 3 methods for resizing columns. I hope someone out there knows how to automate this process and save some time.
Hey, I might have a solution. Simply right-click on the worksheet and choose View Code. Now in here, select Worksheet and type Sheet 1. Assuming this is the worksheet you want to automate. Follow this command, and then you can close the VBA application.
That's amazing. But I ran into an issue. I can't seem to hide columns. Any idea why?
Well, to address that, we'll need to incorporate a conditional command. Just follow my lead. Alright, go ahead and give it another try.
It's working smoothly now, without any errors. Thank you so much.